Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two pet insurance platforms, which is Trupanion and Lemonade. So let's dive into it. So talking about Trupanion is known for its simple and reliable coverage, offering 90% reimbursement on eligible costs, unlimited lifestyle payout, and the unique vet direct pay features with pay vet directly, so you don't have to wait for reimbursement. A strong choice for pet owners who want comprehensive long-term protection without worrying about claim limit or caps. So talking about Lemonade, on the other hand, focus on affordability and convenience with a fast AI driving claims, flexible wellness hat-on, and easy to use mobile app. However, it comes with a manual payout cap and less flexibility compared to Trupanion's unlimited coverage. So if you want peace of mind and maximum coverage, Trupanion wins, but if you prefer a budget-friendly and tech-savvy option, Lemonade may be the best fit for you in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If it is, kindly subscribe and follow for more.